40th Foundation Day of Babina Diagnostics celebrated. Free blood glucose and kidney function tests offered. Two workshops, one outhouse gutted in fire at 𝐂𝐷𝐾𝐿, 𝐁𝐀𝐁, properties worth 25 lakh rupees destroyed. And statewide ban called by JAC against the missing of 𝐷𝐵𝐻 Avinash and 𝐂𝐀𝐁 Anthony extended. Ban from 4 a.m. tomorrow till 1 p.m. of November 11th. Hello viewers, welcome to Notice Window. This is GREETIKA SHAMURAILATPAM giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in details. Babina Diagnostics celebrated its momentous 40th Foundation Day at Babina Diagnostic Conference Hall located at 𝐶𝐸𝐵𝐿 today. At the grand celebration marking the 40th Foundation Day, doctors, nurses and staff of the Diagnostic Center came together for cake cutting ceremony commemorating 4 decades of unwavering dedication and excellence in healthcare. Speaking at the event, Chairman and Managing Director of Babina Diagnostic, Dr. 𝐷𝐵𝐿𝐸 ཐང་ཇམ shared the inspiring story of how Babina Diagnostic commenced its journey on November 9, 1983, at BT Road, Rup Mahal, starting as a small center. Over the span of 40 years, Babina Diagnostic, which once started as a small center, has grown to become the largest and most prominent laboratory in the Northeast state. In the laboratory, tests are conducted without time constraints with new facility available at the center. Additionally, starting from yesterday until November 10, the center is offering free blood glucose and kidney function tests. So far, approximately 2,500 individuals have availed themselves of this opportunity, contributing to the community's health and well-being, Dr. 𝐷𝐵𝐿𝐸 said.
Babina Diagnostics 1983 की नवंबर की तारीख में पंदा BT Road की remote tank supermarket complex दा होगी बा याम पिक ना होगी बा दूँगा center मनी होगी बस यही निपुण सीधा मसीदी नवंबर की तारीख में 2023 सही निपुण मपुंग फारे होगी बस यही निपुण सीधा याम पिक ना होगी बा center दो मसीदी Babina Diagnostics से नॉर्थ ईस्ट की ख्वाइदे की चावल laboratory ने ईस्टर्न इंडिया की वजह से ख्वाइदे की चावल से निमन दबनी यामना पिकना लिमिटेड टेस्ट फैसिलिटीज गलोना ना होगी बदु मसीदी मखा कयागी इन्वेस्टिगेशन फैसिलिटीज मयाम मखी सेंटर्स दा कोई लेजरे.
At least 2 workshops, 1 outhouse and other properties estimated to be worth 25 lakh rupees were gutted in fire at 𝐂𝐷𝐾𝐿, 𝐁𝐀𝐁 late last night. The fire reportedly broke out around 12:30 last midnight. The cause of fire is suspected to be electric short circuit. The workshops belong to 𝐶𝐸𝐵𝐻 Mejen and 𝐶𝐸𝐵𝐻 School, sons of S. Chandra of 𝐂𝐷𝐾𝐁, 𝐁𝐀𝐁. Most of the properties have already been reduced to the ashes when the 𝐂𝐷𝐻 fire service team arrived at the spot. 𝐶𝐸𝐵𝐻 Mejen's workshop worth 4 lakh rupees, outhouse constructed at a cost of 2 lakh rupees, paddy worth 40,000 rupees, cave at its granary, a TVS Jupiter motorcycle were ruined by the fire. On the other hand, 𝐶𝐸𝐵𝐻 School incurred a loss of about 18 lakh rupees in the fire. He lost his workshop, granary, 7 grabber machines, 1 drilling machine, soldering machine, vehicles including 1 Swift car, Alto car, 1 Honda Activa and a Yamaha kept in the workshop for repairing. The proposed statewide ban called by JAC against the missing of 𝐷𝐵𝐻 Avinash and 𝐂𝐀𝐁 Anthony 𝐂𝐷𝐿 from 4 a.m. to 1 p.m. of November 10 has been extended from 4 a.m. of November 10 till 1 p.m. of November 11th. Speaking at a press meet held in this regard, attended by JAC members and Merapaibis, member of the JAC Moirangtem Sunil Kumar said, the decision to extend the ban was taken as the government has failed to provide any information about the two missing Meitei boys, even after the JAC announced the ban yesterday. He also termed it extremely unfortunate that despite the claim that the police has named two persons in connection with abduction of two teenage boys, no information of their whereabouts has been given to the JAC and the public. Sunil Kumar also appealed to the student bodies and CSOs of the state to support the ban.
Anthony, I remember in a sayum the Tokyo with the Haltabada, Nasifa with the Lingana, Karimba, was the boy who responds Amata, Pirataba. I would demand how the Senate had me, Pare Haraga, Makataba, Angang and Sigilikun, Ozupawa, JC the Amadi Leva Miam, the Lingana Karim, Maram of the Kananda, Sinamaram, Werga Ikoina, Ngaranko Zekiva, Tang. 𝐅𝐍𝐾𝐁 ꯃꯔꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 1 ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯕꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯥꯡ 11ꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 1 ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ JACꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ CSO ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀ ꯏꯔꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯁꯧꯒꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ JACꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯍꯧ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯐ ꯐꯠꯇ ꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗ ꯍꯟꯍꯟꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ.
Amid the strenuous efforts taken off to prevent the rising cases of African swine flu in Bishnupur district since October this year, ASF has been again detected in 3 different locations of district this month. The latest ASF outbreak has been reported at Wangu Ahaluf, Naransena and Terakhungsangbi of Bishnupur district, and transports of pigs, cells of pork have been prohibited in the area. Staffs of veterinary office Bishnupur along with a team of doctors went to Terakhungsangbi and have buried pigs from 1 kilometer near the farm inside a pit in the drive process with the Pradhan and members of Terakhungsangbi. Dr. Arjun has already submitted a request the state government for compensation suitable with the weight of the pigs, it said.
Terakhungsangbi the Tokchom Inau Haibagi Magi Farm the Center Koena Koi Bola Kodagi Mapam Sita Survey Torga Leramiba O Kaisi Yumtong Changa 1 kilometer Purma Zagasaki Koyumtong Changa Loima Pagalaga Akoi Mapam Sita disposed of Topane Toba Hujare the CB War Court Laga Sida Prat disposed of Nova Koi department side again Koi Tapa Hujare Magi Wet Ki Matungina Government compensation igani mase government of Manipur thagala matungda India government sigi chapchaba magi selfam birkani hai matungna koi se thawak si patachaba.
It is said that achievement is not bound by age, and to prove that we have 𝐼𝐸𝐵, an 80-year-old of Leshangthem Awang Lekai in Thoubal district. 𝐵 had a career as the Deputy Inspector of Schools at Education Department and was retired in 2004. He didn't tell us retirement slowed him down and sought assistance from the Horticulture Department last year, which provided him with 30 saplings of G9 banana plants. In an exclusive interview with our reporter, 𝐵 said, banana, which is an essential fruit for various rituals and cultural needs, is also a nutritious fruit, and this made him plant the saplings. He emphasized how he acquired his banana plants last year from the Horticulture Department at Manipuri after the process of tissue culture and are now bearing fruit with harvesting in sight in less than a month. Its cluster of bananas consists of up to 20 tiers, and he sells its cluster for 30 rupees, bringing an income of around 600 rupees per cluster. With 300 banana plants, he is expecting a yield of at least rupees 1.8 lakh this season, and after deducting 3,000 rupees for the expenses of fertilizers and labor, he is looking forward to a profit rupees 1.5 lakh, he said.
Everything Hindu income Mag income lahamba and Kali, Tumina, Kuyum, Lim Hota, Pambiga Tabo, Hybrid at least, Kugila Pucha, Habiraga, Lam, Dozu, Lam Yamozu, then Habiraga Mali Pocket, we would see Kanagani and I Kandi.
Yesterday, around 4:28 in the morning, a distressing incident occurred when unidentified individuals fired 5 rounds of gunshots at the residence of Soibam Prem Kumar in Malom Tulihal Awang Leikai. In response to this condemnable act, a sit-in protest was staged. Addressing media at the sit-in protest, Nongmaitim Ongbi Indu, a member of Malom Tulihal Apunba Merapai Biluf, emphasized Prem Kumar's active involvement for the welfare of people in this ethnic violence. Prem Kumar was not present at the scene when the gun attack occurred. However, his son was there. She expressed her sorrow, describing the event as truly unfortunate.
Marang tang tere leba popo nimita sobyong ginupa macha singha malom tulihan de leba sigi yumda nomai raun manga tarula kapsalamba adubu yaning de bapong dukuna asigi sit in protest asi pangthok libani hairi benupa macha si su asigumba leba ki thauram maside yam kanna saruk yaba adumba misa amani masum imung adu da nomai raun manga taru kapsalamba haibasia yamna laibak tibani baji khandaba watpani hana loba yai akan bala lama thengani ngai marak da masigi ona tainaba da aikoi praja masel singi marakta amaga maga kannaba punaba chainaba si mina pau taraga yam kumai oina aduga yam kalapena neba akoi masingi marakta nungai na da ba thokpa si we divided we fall we unite we stay do koi kudimana ningjing mina se haba hari ba si uma thodo se praja bayam da awaba pibani haina lawi praja miyam haiba se isor gi sakti ga chamala bani adumba praja miyam na yam asaba yaning da ba aduga yam na nungai taba popa taragadi nokoina tawri thabor isona yaroeba adu khanna akoi masense amaga maga fajana lingjen manana akoina phangnana patali pandam masi phangna hona minaseba.
During the last 24 hours between November 7 and 8, situation in the state remained tense but was under control with sporadic incidents of firing and congregation of protesters. According to a report from Manipur Police Control Room, search operations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kakching, Bisnupur, Churachandpur and Technopole district. A total of 133 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, but in the hills and the valley, and 1,763 persons were detained in connection with violation in different districts of the state. The Manipur police also appealed to the general public not to believe in rumors and be aware of false videos. Any circulation of unfounded videos, etc., may be confirmed from the rumor-free number 9233 522 822 of the Central Control Room, the report said. It further appealed to the public to return the looted arms, ammunition and explosives to the police or nearest security forces immediately. The annual Sports and Cultural Meet of Changangai Junior High School was held at Chaudhary Pukri Mapal today. Imphal West ZEO Zone 1 Suchaita Kumukcham Retired Director Education A. Samungo, Imphal West DI Zone 1 KH Anil, 𝐁𝐾𝐁 GP Jila Operation Member S. Rahul Kuman, Elias Marjit, Headmistress of 𝐁𝐾𝐁 High School CH Damayanti, and SMC Convener A. Narjit Singh were the dignitaries at the event. Students representing their respective houses took part in the march past as a part of the opening function. Speaking of the event, Headmistress of Junior High School CH Damayanti said, the function was organized to support students to take part in co-curricular activities too besides their studies. The main objective of the function is to alleviate the stress and anxiety of the students of the school affected by the ongoing ethnic violence.
Angangsing asida like tambada natana atopa sports ki event da sanghanduna amadi culture gi inot piduna angangsing ase tongan ba activities mayam amasu pina na ba haidana hona jabani hojiki irang matam asida tawriba se aikoi gi school asida chu lanjen narakpa angang kharasu leibani na makhoi sing asigi pukning wakhal akoi gi aki tujungba makhoi da aki akhang leiba singdo khajitang oisu kokna na ba haiduna adugi ayam gi pandam da su ayam ba tawjabani angang sing ase masa mau phana leiba amadi tijen kaijin na leina ba aigi pandam di aikoi gi school gi angang sing asina state tagi hendokna atopa national gi thakta chatpa ngamna na basu honnaningi.
Now let's have a short break. Please stay tuned.
Welcome you all to UNACO School Chanung, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2022-23 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko loina na hinglibasing tha magi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu tha magi manungda hanthaba ngamle. Khong hamba nungaite basu numit manga nigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu tha magi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oy basu tha magi manungda fagat han bangamle. Pumnamak natural oy ba hidak makhalna Jabani, Hakjang the Sokadaba side effect, Amatalite, Makata na hidak chabagi matau sutararoi. Hena Kupa Parol Gidamak, Nasimak Langson Birau, Diabetes Hospital, Soibam Laikai, Ayangpali Road, opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital, Porompat, Imphal East, near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. Meghalaya Chief Minister 𝐂𝐲𝐶 Sangma yesterday said that the state receives 63 billion cubic liters of water annually through rainfall, which is very high. However, the state is able to retain only 1 billion cubic liter of water. He said this while launching the Meghalaya Water Smart Kit campaign, an initiative under Jal Jeevan mission to create awareness about water conservation among the children. He informed that 1,000 water reservoirs are being constructed across the state so as to harness the water and increase the groundwater table through different soil rejuvenation projects. 𝐂𝐲𝐶 further informed that the Public Health Engineering Department has received huge funding under JJM and EAPs, which is close to around 8,000 crore. He said that the state has completed over 4 lakh household fixed water connections, and by March 2024, the target of 6 lakh will be completed. In 2019, media and other stakeholders ridiculed the government for poor coverage under JJM. However, we took it as a challenge and ensured that from 45,000 household connections, we managed to increase it to 4 lakh plus households, he said, while informing on challenges associated with terrain for laying of pipe connection to identifying water source and creation of reservoirs. The Chief Minister and PHE Minister Marquis Marak also handed over the award to water guardians for inspiring efforts in conservation of water bodies.
Technically speaking, we are very close to the original target that we had in 2019. The targets increased, and hence obviously the time frame and the planning went ahead, and it was more challenging for us to do it. But nonetheless, even then, if you look at the numbers, we have some challenges within the system. But I'm very sure that within the month of December or early January, we may even be able to cross 5 lakh numbers, and we are quite hopeful that we will be one of the few states to actually be able to achieve the target to almost 100%, definitely 90% plus by March 2024.
In a vibrant celebration of culture and community, the long-awaited Tawang Festival 2023 officially commenced yesterday with a mesmerizing street carnival showcasing the rich tapestry of traditional songs and dances of the Monpa community in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. After a hiatus of 3 years, the event has made a triumphant return. Drawing praise from all quarters, Arunachal Chief Minister Pema Khandu, present on the occasions, expresses delight at witnessing the revival of the festival. He underscored the vital role that such cultural celebrations play in fostering unity and promoting diversity within the region. The 5th India-US 2+2 Ministerial Dialogue will be held in New Delhi tomorrow. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh and External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar will welcome U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken and Secretary of Defense Lord Austin III for the dialogue. The 2+2 will enable a high-level review of progress being made in cross-cutting aspects of defense and security cooperation, technology, value chain collaboration, and people-to-people ties. External Affairs Ministry said in a statement that the minister will take the opportunity to take forward the heuristics roadmap for the India-US partnership as envisioned by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Joe Biden. In their discussion in June and September this year, both sides will also take stock of contemporary regional issues and exchange views about shared priorities for augmenting cooperation in multilateral platforms and through frameworks such as Quad. Raksha Mantri and External Affairs Minister are also scheduled to have bilateral meetings with their US counterparts. This will mark a continuity of ministerial dialogue and reaffirm the India-US comprehensive global strategic partnership. And before we end off, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. 40th Foundation Day of Babina Diagnostics celebrated. Free blood glucose and kidney function tests offered. Two workshops, one outhouse gutted in fire at Thawal Ketri Lekai, Thangjam Lera, properties worth 25 lakh rupees destroyed. And statewide bund called by JAC against the missing of Maibam Avinash and Ningthojam Anthony extended. Bund from 4 a.m. tomorrow till 1 p.m. of November 11th. And that's all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window News.
𝐁𝐀𝐁𝐈𝐏 ꯅꯃꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯚꯥꯁ꯭ꯔꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯣꯟꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯩꯁꯅꯥꯝ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯂꯨꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯔꯕ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯁꯥꯒꯩ ꯅꯥꯇꯩ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯂꯝꯂꯒ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 30 ꯊꯥ 10 ꯏꯪ 2016 ꯃꯦꯔꯥꯒꯤ 18ꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯀꯥꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ಶ್ರೀ ꯒꯨರುꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯒ ꯔꯥꯙꯥ ꯃꯥꯙꯕ ꯗꯥꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯥꯝ ꯐꯪꯖꯗꯨꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯗꯥꯕꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯞꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 4 ꯊꯥ 11 ꯏꯪ 2016 ꯃꯦꯔꯥꯒꯤ 22ꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯊꯥꯡꯖ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯑꯁꯇꯤ ꯁꯟꯖꯩ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯆꯔꯒ ꯇꯥꯡ 12 ꯊꯥ 11 ꯏꯪ 2016 ꯃꯦꯔꯥꯒꯤ 18ꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯔꯥ ꯎꯁꯣꯞ ꯇꯤꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯒꯤ आत्मा शांतिगिदमक ngамजबा वस्तु खरदंग श्री श्री गौरचंद्र महाप्रभु की चरणदा हरि संकीर्तन गा लोइनना कचगदौरी उपलक्ष्य सिदा ब्राह्मण वैष्णव अहल लमन अमरी मरुप मपांग ख्वाई खिबिंगना मतम चान लिंबिरक्तुना हरिनाम सर्वन तौबिननबा नॉर्थ ईस्ट विंडो की खुथांगदा पाउजेंजरी बा मैस्नाम ओंबी बिजुरानी देवी लोइनबी मैस्नाम निंगोल कोनसम ओंबी निरुमला मचे मैस्नाम ओंबी रंजना मनाउनपी मैस्नाम ओंबी इबेथोई मनाउनपी मैस्नाम निवेदिता मचानुपी मैस्नाम डाइना मचानुपी मैस्नाम नंदिता मचानुपी मैस्नाम कुमार मनाउनुपा मैस्नाम प्रेमजीत मनाउनुपा मैस्नाम रोबर्टो मचानुपा मैस्नाम पुंसिवलुवांग मचानुपा मैस्नाम रोहित मचानुपा थौरम परेंग अयुक पुंग 9 पेक कटपा अयुक पुंग 12 मखाई संकीर्तन हौबा थौरम मफम इमा कुंथोंगन बिसंगलेन डेम कॉलेज कैंपस थांगरिबन